The Salesian of Shillong Province invites you to the Centenary Celebrations of the arrival of the Salesians to Northeast India, beginning 13th January 2022 till October 2022. On 13th January, the Centenary Celebrations will begin with the Holy Mass to be presided by His Grace Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh DD from the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians at 10:30 a.m. Due to COVID-19 pandemic and the government protocols, offline participation is restricted. You are invited to participate all celebrations through the Don Bosco Media Network TV channel number 279 or 1004 and also through the live stream on the YouTube channel. Let us thank God for the 100 years of miracles and blessings through the Salesians.